Today's topic is natural join. The first thing we have to know what is a natural join. A natural join is a join operation that creates an implicit join class based on the common columns in the two tables. So already I have said about a normal definition of a join. We all know a table will get joined when the attribute in the two column should be same. Okay, therefore here it is being specified that it is based on the common columns in the two tables being joined. Okay, so in the two tables at least one of the columns should be common. Next one, in natural join, here it is going to create an implicit join class. So implicit join in the class, implicit join in the sense, joins can be performed by having some tables in the from class. By making use of the from class, next one, the content is being separated with commas. And the next one, the attributes can be the relationships between the attributes can be defined using this var class. So these are the three classes by which a query can be designed. A query which can be designed by making use of these from class uh, and the separation which is being done with commas and the relationships can be maintained by using the var class. It is called as an implicit join. So here the natural join is being explained um, by these two tables by having an example of these two tables. The first table name is employee. The second table name is the department. In the first employee table, I'm going to have the attribute the employee number as EMPNO, employee name as EMP name, and the address is address. Address in the sense going to specify the city where the employees are located. In the next table, department, I used department number as DEPTNO. Next, for department name, I use DEPT name and the employee number. Okay. So these natural join can be explained by making use of this query. So in this query, I have given to find the name of an employee who is working in HR department. Okay. So to find the name of an employee in the from the table, then not only to find the name of an employee, that employee should be working in the HR department. Okay. So these thing we are by the in order to find this, we are going to making use of these natural join. Okay. So, so in order to perform the natural join, the first step. So in SQL, it can be written as select EMP name. Okay, because here we are going to find out first the employee name. Implicit join. So in order to perform the natural join, the first step. So in SQL, it can be written as select EMP name. Okay, because here we are going to find out first the employee name. Next one, from which table? From the employee table. Okay, so first one you're going to find, you're going to write like this, select EMP name from employee. As it is a natural join, it should contain two tables. This cross product. So in the two tables, at least one attribute should be common. Like this. So in join, it should be written as from employee natural join department. Okay. The next thing we are going to see how this natural join can be performed. Okay, this natural join is also similar to the join operation. So already I have specified in the previous slide, the natural join is done between the is a cross product that is being done between the two tables. That is here employee and department. Next, here the common attribute is employee number. Next one, now this query can be rewritten as in a correct SQL format. Select EMP name from employee, comma department. Okay. Next thing, the condition is given as where employee.empno. So in the employee table, the attribute employee number EMP. I'm going to explain how this cross product can takes place. The first in cross product, the first record from the employee table should be multiplied with the first table, first record from the department table. So it can be written as 1 from Delhi is multiplied with, see here, the department number D1, next the department name HR, next the employee number 1 HR, department name, next one the department number. Sorry, employee, EMPNO, okay, employee number. See here, uh, the employee number in the employee table and the employee number from the department table is common. Okay, so only if these two, only a common attribute is the presence of common attribute is eligible to perform the join. Okay, so here we can perform the join as we are having the two, as we are having a same column name in both the employee number, employee and the department. Okay, next we are going to have a cross product uh, with the first record in the employee table and with the second record from the department table. So here we are going to type the same. So it is getting multiplied with the second record from the department table. That is, the department number is D2, department name is IT, and the employee number is 2. Okay. The next thing, the same first record is being multiplied with the third record from the department table. That is D3, marketing D4. To the employee number 4. Like that. The second record from the employee table, that is employee number 2, employee name Karan, address Chennai, is being multiplied with the records from the department. Okay, so all the three records should get multiplied with the second table from the employee. So how can we write it? So 2 Karan, Chennai. Multiplied with the first record from the department D1 HR 1. Next, Karan, Chennai multiplied with D2 IT2. Next, Karan, Chennai multiplied with the third record from the department table D3 marketing. Okay, so like this, we are going to perform the cross product for this and for all the records from the employee. Okay, so next one, 3 V Chennai is getting multiplied with D with the table with all the records from the department table. Next, the fourth record, 4 Ravi Delhi is multiplied with all the records from the department. Okay, so like this a cross product can be performed. Okay, now after performing the cross product the table looks like this. Now we have combined both the employee table as well as the department table. Okay, now only the cross product have been done. Okay, next thing we're going to see once again. So what's the question given? Okay, so we are asked to find the employee number. Okay, who is working in HR department. Okay, so now after getting joined, after performing the cross product, the query will check. So check for the same attribute. So here see the first attribute. Okay, this is EMPNO. So this is EMPNO from the employee table, and this is the EMPNO from the department table. Okay. Now see here both the employee number have the both the table have the same employee number. Okay. So first, therefore, we have selected this. The next thing, if you check the next record, it is having the employee number 1, and in this table, after combining, we have the employee number as 2. Okay. So here we don't have any same attribute. Therefore, it is not good for further processing. So here, like this, here also we are not having any same attribute. As from the query, okay, only from the query we are checking. Okay. So see, in the query, it is given as, so here select EMP name from the employee department where the condition is the employee dot employee number is equal to department dot employee number. For the employee, the employee, those who have the same employee number, okay, only should get matched. Okay, that is the condition that we have given. So based on that condition only we are performing this selection operation. Okay, so here also the employee number is wrong. Okay, now check it. So here both the table having the same employee number 2 2. Okay, so here it is wrong, here it is wrong, here as well. Yeah, yeah. Okay, next we check after combining. So if you check these record, okay, 4 employee number 4 Ravi Delhi. Okay, so it is having the when it is combined with the department table D3 marketing, it is having the same employee number. So it is also selected for further processing. Okay, So now we have completed only the where condition. Okay. The next thing we are going to find the employee name. Okay. So here after processing that, only three records have been selected for further processing. So here just check uh, both the table. Okay, I mean both the employee as well as the department number is having the employee number, but the condition is to find the name of an employee who is working in HR department. Now we are going to find the employee, only those employees working in HR department. So if we check it, so the Ram, okay, so only the person Ram is working in HR department. Okay, therefore the query will give the answer as Ram. Okay, so next if we check for the next one, so Karan, he's working in IT. Okay, we don't need this. So Ravi is working in marketing. Okay, the question to find the employee is working in HR department. Okay, so the answer is wrong. I hope everyone can understand it. So if you have any doubt, you can query to this mail winneverville123 at gmail.com. Thank you.